Guys, can you hear me? Welcome to our live show. Welcome to our live show. While doing holdings, welcome guys to our live show. Well, wait a moment. Adjust the device. Wait a moment, guys. Guys, if you have any question or if you are interested in equipment or manufacturing edible oil, you can enter our live show. And today our topic is introduction. I will introduce the modern and high-yield palm oil production line and refining process. Welcome guys to our live show. First, let me introduce our company. If you are interested in the edible oil extract project, or if you want investment edible oil project, you can enter our live show. I will introduce the equipment such as single machine or production line for you. Welcome guys to our live show. First, let me introduce our company. We are doing holdings, and our company was established at 2011, and we have 13 years experience of manufacturing equipment of extraction the edible oil. Such as the extracting the edible oil single machine production line, and all process equipment we can provide for you. This is our company office. Our company is located in Henan Province, Central China, and our company has its own factory, has its own engineer team. This is our office, and this picture is our province fully continuous refining process workshop. And our equipment was exported to more than 120 countries and regions. So guys, if you want to have many impurities company, you can enter our live show and learn about our equipment. If you have any question, you can type them. On our comment area, and I will apply it for you, and I will answer them for you later. Welcome guys to our live show, and this picture is our engineer team is having meeting. This is our staffs. Our staffs is more than 200 members. So next is the introduction of our product. We mainly produce equipment for extracting the edible oil, such as palm oil, palm kernel oil, soybean oil, rapeseed oil, sunflower oil, and so on, the edible vegetable oil. All of the equipment of extracting edible oil we can provide for you. And this is some single machine. The first is a palm oil presser and palm kernel oil presser. This is a double screw palm oil presser, and then below is palm kernel oil presser. Welcome guys to our live show. Welcome guys. If you have any question or if you are interested in our equipment, you can find or if you want to get a free quotation, you can find our contact information in comment area and send an email or private message in background for us, and our assistant will reply it for you. We can provide some free quotation, configuration plan, and some guide and some selection guide for you. If you want to learn about some questions, or you can type them on comment area and I will answer it for you. And this part is palm oil and palm kernel oil presser. This part is a common oil seeds presser. It has a cooker and oil presser and a plate filter. This part is solvent extraction plant. It's a solvent machine. And this part is a refinery machine. The next part is a palm oil and palm kernel oil single machine. And in palm oil and palm kernel oil, we have the 500 kilogram single screw palm oil presser and the 1 to 2 tons per hour double screw palm oil presser. And the palm kernel oil presser, we have a kind of is 500 kilogram per hour palm kernel oil presser. And the next is the production line. If you want to completely production line, we can provide for you. And this is palm oil production line. We have 1 to 5 tons per hour production line, and medium and large scale has a 10 tons per hour to 120 tons per hour capacity production line. So if you have some need about the palm oil production line or single motion, you can enter our live show and I will introduce it for you guys. The next is the palm kernel oil production line in the palm kernel and shell separator machine. The next is the common oil seeds presser. We have 3 kinds of presser for you, and we can help you to choose it according to your need, according to your capacity. And our company has its own factory, has its own engineer team, and we can support the customize for you. Our engineer can design the production line, the machine plan for you according to your need. And this picture is a pre-treatment and pricing workshop. This picture is our previous project. And the next part is the refinery equipment. We have we also have 3 kinds of refinery equipment, such as batch type refining production line. This picture is a batch type, and if you want a larger capacity, we also have a semi-continuous refining production line and fully continuous refining production line. It has different capacity, and the high degree of automation is higher. The next is a solvent extraction plant. This is a single machine. And besides the single machine, if you need production line, we also can provide it for you. So guys, if you wanna investment edible oil production line, or if you wanna a single machine, all of equipment you can enter our live show, and our company can provide for you. Welcome guys to our live show. Welcome. We're doing holdings. We can provide the extracting the edible oil equipment for you. This part, next picture is our factory. Our factory is covered an area of 40,000 square meters. And our company also has a overseas warehouse in Nigeria. This is our warehouse, and our company has a subsidiary in Nigeria. So if you are interested in our private project in Nigeria, in Africa, we can arrange the right sales manager for you to lead you to visit and communicate for our private project. Okay, the next is our patent. And guys, if you want to learn about our company, we will welcome you to visit us and communicate with us. Okay. Next, I will introduce our equipment for you. Let us see the picture. Welcome guys to our live show. Guys, if you want or if you're interested in the edible oil extracting equipment, you can enter our live show, and our company can provide the equipment for you. Welcome. And today our topic is introduce automation and high-yield modern palm oil production equipment for you. So next, let me know about the equipment, and let me see the picture. Okay, in palm oil machine, most important is the presser, and our company has 2 kinds of palm oil presser. The first kind is a single screw palm oil presser. Look at this, and this presser has 2 power systems: diesel engine and electric system. You can choose the suitable system for you, and our sales manager can help you to choose it according to your need. And The single screw palm oil presser capacity is 500 kg per hour. It is suitable for home use and small investors, palm oil production business starter, because its capacity is smaller. And if you want to adjust the pressure, the internal pressure, it needs worker. So this equipment is a semi-automation equipment. But this equipment is cheaper than next one. The single screw palm oil presser advantage is low investment, it's cheap, and it covers an area is small, and it is easy to operate. It's a simple equipment. And next is the other one. The other one is the double screw palm oil presser. The presser. There has 2 screws, and its residual oil weight is lower than the first. Its capacity is more than 1 ton per hour. And this double screw presser also suitable for production line. Its capacity is larger, and internal pressure don't need worker, because this equipment internal pressure is controlled by hydraulic pump station and the reducer at the tail. So it's automated, don't need worker. It can decrease the labor cost, and it can give you high oil yield, high degree automation, and it's also easy to operate. Okay. In the past, I introduced the 2 kinds of presser for you. And guys, if you want a single machine, or if you want a palm oil presser, we can provide it for you. And these 2 kinds of presser, we have machine in stock, and we can order to get prompt delivery for you. We can quickly to transport it for you. So guys, if you wanna, welcome guys to our live show. Welcome to our live show. We are doing holdings. We mainly produce the extraction edible oil equipment, and single machine production line. All equipment we can provide it for you. Today our topic is to introduce the high-end and automated and modern palm oil equipment. Guys, if you have any question, you can type them on the comment area. Welcome guys to our live show. Welcome. And in the past, introduced the single machine. Thank you. The single machine, they are the single screw palm oil presser. This is a single screw palm oil presser, and the next one is a double screw palm oil presser. And they are palm oil presser for you. If you want a single machine, we can provide for you. In these 2 equipment, we have many equipment in our warehouse. So if you want one, we can transport it for you quickly. Welcome guys, thanks for you. And next, let me learn about the production line. And we have many kinds of production line according to capacity. The first type is the simple palm oil production line. It includes three equipments. The first is the thresher. It's a simple time threshing machine. Its capacity is 1 to 2 tons per hour, and it can use to remove the palm fruit from the bunches. Its advantage is lower cost, and it can increase the efficiency of the thresher process. And after threshing, you can get the empty palm fruit bunches and the palm fruit. Then the palm fruit can enter the presser. And presser, we have two kinds of presser. The first one is single screw palm oil presser machine. Its capacity is 300 kilogram per hour to 500 kilogram per hour. And its advantage is low investment, and it has two power system. You can choose yourself suitable system, and it is suitable for different. Can give you low residual oil rate. But if you want, this single screw palm oil presser, if you want to adjust the internal pressure, you should need a worker to adjust it. But the other one, the double screw palm oil presser, don't need a worker. It has the higher degree of automation than the single presser. And the double screw palm oil presser capacity is higher than first one. Its capacity is 1 to 2 tons per hour, and it's suitable for production line. So if you want a larger scale in the future, you can directly buy the double screw palm oil presser. And the double screw advantage is the lower residual oil rate than single screw, and it can give you high efficiency. It is suitable for production line. It is suitable for medium and larger scale plant. And after presser, we can get the palm crude oil. The internal palm crude oil will have many impurities such as kernel, peel, mud, and so on. Many impurities inside. So the crude palm oil need to be filtered. In the simple production line, we will use the plate filter. The plate filter can remove the impurity from the crude oil. You can get the cleaner crude oil. Okay, so this simple palm oil presser, it's suitable for home use and small investors or the palm oil project starter. Okay, the next one, we will see the small scale palm oil presser. This production line is the standard production line. It includes all equipment of the palm oil production line. All equipment of the palm oil process. The modern palm oil price process is divided for several steps, such as sterilization, threshing, digesting, pricing, and clarification, and vacuum drying. This small-scale palm oil presser includes the all process equipment, and this process line has advantage is lower investment, and it can give you higher return. And this price line can design the all automatic equipment. The efficiency is higher than the last one. And after this production line, you can get the high oil yield, and you can get the high quality of the crude palm oil. Okay, welcome guys to our live show. Welcome. And the palm oil work process is divided this step. The first is sterilization. The FFB will enter the tank to heat and make the fruit soften and easier to threshing. Next, the palm fruit bunches will enter the thresher to threshing to remove the palm fruit. And next, the palm fruit will enter the digester to destroy the structure of the palm fruit. Next, the palm fruit will enter the presser to extracting the oil from the palm fruit. Then we will get the crude palm oil. And the crude palm oil inside has many impurities, so it needs to be clarification. This clarification has two equipment. We will use two equipment for clarification step. And after clarification, the palm oil will enter the filter to remove the small impurities. And after this step, you will get the red palm oil. It is the palm crude oil. And if you wanna the crude oil can storage the longer time, you will You also can equip a vacuum dryer after the filter. It will make the palm crude oil storage time is longer. Okay, welcome guys to our live show. Welcome. Okay, next let me see. Let us learn about the medium and large scale palm oil price line. Its capacity is larger. Its capacity is 10 tons per hour to 120 tons per hour. And in this price line, it will equip more equipment, and it has a higher degree of automation. In workshop don't need worker, because this price line used the PLC automation control system. You can control the process by computer, so this equipment will decrease the labor cost for you. And this process line has many advantages. It will give you high profits, and it has a large capacity, and this price line after this price line, the crude oil quality is higher than last price line. The quality and the storage time of the crude oil will increased. This price line work process is divided for these steps. The first, the FFB will parked on the raw material reception station, and then the raw material will enter to the sterilization station to heat and make the palm fruit soften. And next to this step, the palm fruit bunches will enter the threshing. It is the threshing station to remove the palm fruit. And after this step, you will get the palm fruit, and the palm fruit will enter the digesting and pricing station to destroy the structure of the palm fruit and extracting the oil of the palm fruit. Then we will get the crude palm oil, and the crude palm oil will enter the oil clarification station to remove the impurities inside. And in the medium and large price line will equip the kernel recovery station. And if you wanna use price line more completely, you also can equip a palm kernel price line to produce the palm kernel oil, and then you will get more profits. So this medium and large palm oil price line suitable for medium and large scale palm oil milk plate. And welcome guys to our live show. Welcome. And in the past, I introduced maybe three cans of palm oil price line. And guys, if you want some full quotation or configuration plan or select guide, you can send a private message on background, and you can find our contact information in comment area. Don't care about your private message, and we can provide the free service for you. So guys, if you have some need, if you're interested in the olive oil production equipment, you can contact us. And next is the palm oil refining equipment. Let me know about it. And in this process, we also have three cans of production line. The type 1 is batch type palm oil refining machine. This kind of equipment suitable for small oil plate because its capacity is less than 20 tons per day. But this kind of refining machine may have two kinds of heat system. You can choose it according to need. The first is electric heating. Its capacity is 0.5 tons per day to 2 tons per day. And this equipment is cheap than the other one, but the product cost, but the process stock cost is higher because it uses electric, and it needs electric electric stability is higher. The other one is conduction or heating. Its capacity is larger, 1 ton per day to 20 tons per day. Its capacity is larger, and this batch type palm oil refining machine can increase the automation level for you, and this production line don't need many workers. Just 3 to 4 members can control this production line. Welcome guys to our live show. Guys, if you are interested in the edible oil production equipment, you can enter our live show, or if you want to invest edible oil project, you can enter our live show. Our company has 14 years experience for manufacturing extracting the edible oil, and we can provide the free quotation or selecting guide or some configuration plan for you. This service is free. Don't care about it. And if you want to get the larger capacity, we can provide the semi-continuous palm oil refining machine for you. The capacity is 5 tons to 30 tons per day. So it is suitable for medium scale oil plant. Advantage is carried out continuously. Its efficiency is higher, and the quantity of refined oil is better, and its automation level is better than the batch type. This picture is our previous project. Okay, the last refining equipment is the fully continuous palm oil refining machine. Its capacity is largest. The capacity is more than 30 tons per day. If you want an investment large scale production line, we can provide the fully continuous palm oil refining machine for you. It is suitable for medium and large oil plant. This fully continuous production line has many advantages because the whole oil refining process is full continuous. So its automation degree will be increased, and the labor cost will lower than the 2 other one, and the oil waste will be lower, so it can decrease the residual oil rate. Besides the refining equipment and the pricing equipment, we also can provide the fractionation equipment, degumming equipment, and deodorization equipment for you. The fractionation equipment is suitable for palm oil, palm kernel oil, coconut oil. and dewaxing machine suitable for sunflower oil, corn germ oil, rice bran oil, and flaxseed oil. The winterization machine suitable for cottonseed oil. This part is the refining process, and the different cans of oil seeds suitable for different process, and we can choose the suitable method for you. And if you need for the bottle blowing machine or bridge or oil storage tank, you also can contact us, and we also can provide the filling machine for you. Okay, next let us see the 3D video to know the palm oil price line, and I will introduce the palm oil price process for you. Welcome guys to our live show. Welcome guys. If you want to get equipment of the extracting the edible oil, you can enter our live show. We can provide the equipment for you. Welcome guys. And now I'm using this 3D video to show the 1 to 2 times palm oil price production line. And the palm oil price line is divided for several steps. The first one is divided for sterilization, threshing, digesting, pricing, and clarification, and vacuum drying. This step constitute the palm oil production line. And the first step, the truck will unload the FFB on the ground, and then the worker loads the FFB to the food cage. In this production line, we also equip the crane. The crane lifts the food cage and put it into the sterilizer. This is food cage, and 4 food cage can put in each sterilizer. And the door of the sterilizer is hydraulic door. Open and close to meet worker. And then the FFB will stay inside for heating. It will heating 1 hour to 90 minutes. And this room is a boiler room. This boiler is biomass boiler. It boils empty palm fruit bunches or branches or firewoods. And after boiling, the steam will enter the steam drum and then lead to different step equipment. Because the palm oil is easier to solidify, so every step equipment has a heating coil. And after sterilization, the palm fruit bunches, the palm fruit on the palm fruit bunches will be softened and will easier to remove the fruit. So then the crown lifts the fruit cage and put it on the shelf. Then the palm fruit bunches will enter the thresher. This thresher is a drum type palm thresher. It is 2.5 meters. Because it is too long, the palm fruit bunches can stay inside long time, and the palm fruit can be removed clear. And after threshing, the palm fruit will fall down to the screw for next stage, and the empty palm fruit bunches will fall out from the other side, and you can see we will prepare a trolley to collect it. And the empty palm fruit bunches can be the fuel for boiling. The next stage is digesting. Then the palm fruit will enter the digester through the screw conveyor. This digester is a vertical digester. And there has many steering knife. The fruit inside will be destroyed the structure. And during digesting some palm crude oil will flow out, and our engineer designed a oil collecting tank in the pipe on below. Next stage is the pressing. The palm fruit will enter the double screw palm oil presser directly. In the video, we used is double screw palm oil presser because it residual oil weight is lower and its efficiency is higher. There has two screws. The two screws move to relative, and the oil will be discharged by beating. And this single screw palm oil presser internal presser is controlled by the hydraulic pump station, and the residual and the reducer at the tail. So don't need worker. So this double screw palm oil presser also can decrease the labor cost for you. And after pressing, the crude oil will flow out by the side of presser. And then the palm crude oil will enter the collection step. Because the crude oil inside has many impurities such as chrome, pure, lead, and so on. So the palm crude oil need to be filtered, need to have many times filtration. And we can see the first equipment is a vibrating screen. there has 3 layers, and the top 2 layer is a filter screen. The impurities can remove to the incision by twisting, and during twisting the crude oil. Welcome guys to our live show. Welcome guys. Now introduce the 1 to 2 tons palm oil price line. Guys, if you are interested in the edible oil extracting equipment, or if you want an invest edible oil project, you can enter our live show. Our company can provide the edible oil equipment for you. Welcome guys to our live show. If you have any question, you can type them on comment area and I will answer it for you. And next, the crude oil will enter the clarification tank. This is the clarification tank. The crude oil will enter to the middle and the lower part of the clarification tank. And the clarification and the crude oil will settling inside. After settling, the impurities will settle to below, and next the lower part is dirty oil, the upper part is a clean oil, and we design overflow device on the upper part, so the clean oil will be always taken. Then the clean crude oil will be pumped to the plate filter to remove the small impurities. With a plate filter, there has many filter plate, and each filter plate has a filter close, and the clean crude oil will be discharged by squeezing through the side of the output. Then is the last step is the vacuum dryer. After this step, the storage time of crude oil will be longer. In this step, we will use high temperature steam to heat the crude oil, to make the crude oil boiling. And during boiling, the internal moisture of the crude oil will go up, and with some oil steam, and enter this equipment. This equipment is the oil water spreader. In this equipment, the oil steam will fall down to collect, and the water vapor will continue to the water jet equipment. After drying, the water content of the crude palm oil will lower, and its storage time will be longer, so it can pump to the oil storage tank for storage. This part is remove the impurities cake on the plate filter. And after producing, the exhaust gas from the boiling need to be treated. The exhaust gas will enter the water spraying device, and after spraying, the exhaust gas can be discharged. Okay, the 1 to 2 tons per hour is introduced. Guys, do you have any questions? If you have any questions, you can type them on the comment area and I will introduce for you. Welcome guys to our live show. Welcome. Our equipment, our company can provide the extracting edible oil equipment for you. So guys, if you want to invest edible oil equipment, if you need some equipment, you also can enter our live show and I can introduce the equipment for you. If you some need or if you have any questions, you can type them on comment area. Welcome guys. Okay, next let's learn about the palm kernel oil process machine. The first is a palm kernel oil presser. Its capacity is 500 kg per hour and it is suitable for only small invest palm kernel oil mill plant. This equipment can be used in palm kernel oil pressing line. Its advantages include it has high degree of automation and it's easy to operate, and the internal screw has good wear resistance. So the equipment lifespan is longer. And the next is the production line, is the splitting machine. It can split the palm kernel shell and the palm kernel. Its shell rate is more than 95%, and the spillation rate also more than 95%. It will give you better effect of splitting. And this equipment is cheap. It is cheap and its efficiency is higher. It also is an automatic process. Don't need worker to control it. And next is a pressing line. Pressing line equipment. In this production line, it includes the palm kernel mass grinding sieve and the cracker and the splitting and the kernel and shell splitting system, crushing machine and cooking, the palm kernel oil presser, and the last one is a plate filter. This production line process is divided for this step. The first one, you need to put the palm nut to the splitting system to split the kernel and shell. After splitting, we will get the palm kernel. Because the palm kernel is large, so it needs to be crushing. Make it easier to adjust the moisture and the temperature. Next, the palm kernel will enter to the cooker to adjust the temperature and the and the moisture of the pump kernel. After cooker, the moisture and temperature is standard, so it can enter the presser. This presser is the pump kernel presser. And after pressing, we will get the pump kernel crude oil. But in the pump kernel oil inside have some small impurities, so it needs to be filtered. This is a plate filter. It can remove the impurities inside the crude pump kernel oil. And after filtering, we will get the clean crude pump kernel oil. Welcome, guys, to our live show. Welcome, guys. If you want to get equipment of the extracting the edible oil, or if you want investment edible oil production line, we also can provide the equipment for you. So guys, if you have some need, or if you want to get the free quotation or configuration plan or selection guide, we can provide for you, and this device is free. Don't care about it. So if you have some need, you can find our contact information in comment area and send a private message for us. Okay, guys, do you have any questions? If you have any questions, I can answer it for you. And if you no question, today's live show will end. Welcome, guys, to our live show. Okay. See you next time. Bye bye.